So guys, another airdrop I'm farming is the grvt airdrop. It's just like the DeFi app, which I am still farming, by the way, and you can see we almost have 1 million in perpetual volume. And I'm using a small account, so anybody can farm these airdrops. And guys, you're still very early to farm this because the TGE target is Q1 2026. And if you want to go over the points and how to earn points, I'll leave the link in the description. Also, my referral is in the description, and I'd appreciate it if you guys sign up using my referral. But guys, you can see 50% trading volume. So most of your points come from trading on the platform. I did read some other ways. Liquidations, I highly recommend to not get liquidated, but in the event that you do, you earn points for it. So guys, this is potentially a really nice airdrop we can be farming because it has some significant backers behind it as well. Now, I'm not fear mongering. There are some very concerning things on the chart we need to pay attention to. I'm currently short on a lot of stuff, and I could be wrong about this, guys, but this could be a bearish divergence maturing on the total crypto market cap. We have 3 drives to the upside, while the MACD momentum is giving us lower highs. 3 drives, lower highs. So it's still early, but what makes me concerned, guys, is the Ethereum chart, because Ethereum has potential monthly divergence maturing right now. And if Bitcoin has topped out, this can mature into a very significant bear divergence, and it would make sense as we lead into Q1 2026, the bear market, major flush across the crypto market, because like we just saw, guys, the monthly could be maturing into bear divergence. So it's something to keep an eye on. I could be wrong about it, but it has made me want to try some shorts, and XRP is one of the shorts on my watch list because, guys, its total value locked in the DeFi industry dropped to 86 million. And look at XRP's market cap, 142 billion. Its fucking DEX volume has plunged to 6.1 million. I mean, guys, this is, nobody's using XRP. I don't know why the fuck it's even still $142 billion. That's why I'm saying if we are about to correct, there is major downside potential on the horizon. And while we may get a bounce on coins, yes, things might go up, but guys, we could definitely bounce on the way down. You have to remember, things are oversold right now. We could get a massive bull trap, but it is just my speculation, guys, and it's why I'm shorting XRP. And also, to add to this, if you look at all of these altcoins, they all have massive wicks to the downside, and I think a lot of them are going to end up trying to fill the wick. Now, yeah, it could hold, but guys, if these altcoins begin to break down, they're going back to their ranges from earlier on this year and last year, back down to the 2023 bear market lows. And there is confluence with it because the monthly bearish divergence on the total crypto market cap. Anyway, guys, that's one of the shorts that I like. Another one is Zcash. Now, historically speaking, guys, every time Zcash gets up here, it's cycle top highs. And I'm not saying Zcash is telling us that it's topped out, but it's definitely something to keep an eye on, because this could cat ears. If you don't know what cat ears are, it's a structure, and it usually ends up breaking down. So it's another one that I think we should be paying attention to, because, guys, even the weekly has a very bearish candle setting up. In 4 days, this sets up. It could close above, yes, but it is something to keep an eye on, guys. I do like the momentum to the downside we could start to see on Zcash. So it's another one that I am starting to short. I'm going to build the Zcash short. Like I said, guys, these are all small positions because I only just found this airdrop today, but I always like to bring you guys these opportunities when I find them. I don't like to farm them for 2 months and then tell you guys about it. Anyway, check it out, grvt. It could be a really good airdrop to be farming. Anyway, that's it for this video, guys. Remember to like and subscribe and join my Discord if you are not in it already. Thanks for tuning in, and until the next one, peace.